Introducing the SafetyGel Super Absorbent range, the mess-free solution for controlling infection and denaturing hazardous liquid waste. SafetyGel absorbs and rapidly denatures liquids, converting them to manageable solids for simple and safe disposal. Each product is adapted to your specific cleanup needs, including pads, ideal for toileting patients and controlling hazardous spills, sachets, for sample spills, sharps waste, bedpans, and other containers. Super absorbent vomit bags, essential for travel emergencies, camping, and festivals. And SafetyGel granules, for clinical settings, care settings, schools, at home, and anywhere you might experience a hazardous spill. Simply scoop or pour granules onto a liquid to start the process of absorption, also capturing odours. The SafetyGel Super Absorbent range. Wherever there is a spillage or hazardous liquid, reach for SafetyGel to contain it.